Hey there, Tim and Aaron Tooling back at you. So today's video is going to be about this toolbox from Fab Heavy Parts. I needed a smaller toolbox to put some of my camera gear and stuff for making videos in, and it just so happened that Fab Heavy Parts reached out to me. So they did send it to me. I did get it for free, but they're not telling me what to say or anything like that. Always give you my honest opinion. I wanted to show this toolbox to you. It's super heavy duty. Let's get into it. Okay. Maybe that's not the way to do it. Get this thing unpacked here. Bunch of styrofoam. And this is the bottom drawer. Straighten out this foam. And I'm assuming that's the hardware. 2 swivel wheels and 2 straight. So when you go to put this on, this actually slides in here. It doesn't really show you in the directions. So you actually put it in there, lock it in, hold there, and then put the screws in. Looks like the bottom is already tapped. I'm going to put the swivels on this side. You know what? I'm going to use an impact. Fab Heavy Parts actually reached out to me and asked me to do a review on this, and they actually have a bunch of different stuff. So check out their website. It's called Fab Heavy Parts. Okay, so the toolbox itself is 26 inches tall, with the wheels is 31 inches tall, obviously. And then it's 24.4 inches wide, and then it's 13 inches from front to back. So it's a smaller toolbox. It's not a, I would say it'd be a bottom toolbox for a starter set of tools, or if you want something like I did, to where I wanted something to put my camera gear in. You do get keys with this, 2 keys. So, and then it does come with a rubber top in it, and each drawer will have foam inside it. I just wanted something for my video, and I actually found these dividers here at Northern Tool, and I think they were like $3 a piece. I think you get 2 of them for like $3, so it's real reasonable. And then this foam little compartment deal from Railer, it's actually for like screwdriver bits, and it comes with a little screwdriver bit that goes right here. I got that from Railer a while back and did a video. I'll try to link that video in the description. But I have all my little swivel mounts and stuff in here. And then a kind of menagerie of different smaller USB-C cords, stuff for underwater in cameras, which I don't really do. And then I have several of like GoPros or GoPro style cameras. So I have a bunch of these mounts that came from all the kits. When you buy them, you can buy a decent kit of that stuff at Walmart for not too much money. And then I have some small tripods in here, some excess microphone and cords, and down here I've got some odds and ends. There's a docking station here, and here in the bottom I've got like cords. The bottom 5 drawers are 3.1 inches tall on the inside, so you can fit a You can see this box here, this for a GoPro cage is about at least 2 inches, so it got a whole nother inch above that, which is pretty nice. And then the top 2 drawers are 2 inches tall, so they're pretty decent. They all roll on, all the drawers roll on ball bearings on the side, so there's a nice smooth kind of close and stuff. You can see it doesn't slam close, it closes softly, which is nice. And then you have the keys that hold it. And it lock all the doors. So, which is pretty nice. When you get the toolbox, it will come assembled. The only thing you do have to do is put the handle on either side, so there is hardware on either side, or openings on either side, so you can put it on the left or the right. I just happen to like it like this, and I put my 2 straight wheels on this side and 2 swivel wheels with locks on that side. Like I said, I basically wanted something for my camera gear, and I didn't want to have to have like a giant toolbox like I have over in the other side of the room. Like you can see that toolbox over there, it's pretty big, and I didn't want something that big just to hold my camera gear. It was kind of overkill, so I really like that one. So it's a really cool toolbox. Now you do actually buy this from Fab Heavy Parts website, and right now the toolbox is SKU TG25112-704. You put in toolbox and go search. You got truck toolboxes, you got different tools. They've got a bunch of different things you can get. A 969 piece home tool repair kit, and it comes in a case with it. Here's the toolbox right here. It's showing 387. This is the same one. Let me see if this is 7 drawer. Showing 387 at the moment. It's a pretty nice deal. The 7-door rolling tool chest with wheels, functioning full multifunctional toolbox. This thing is powder coated. It's weighs about just under 60 pounds, and when you get it, shipping weight is under 60 pounds. Here's a 7-drawer alloy steel, overall 24.4 by 13 by 31 with casters. 1 to 2 drawer 20 inch by 10.8 by 2 inch. 3 to 7 drawers 20 inch by 10.8 by 3.1 inches. Universal brake wheels 2, directional wheels 2, net weight 55.11 pounds. Like I said, it's not a huge toolbox, but you can see they have toolboxes that you can put on top of that. If you want to get a smaller set they can roll around your shop, maybe for a technician starting out or something like that. So it's pretty nice. So they did give me a link, so I'll put the link in the description. If you want to follow that link and go check it out, you're more than welcome. And I hope you get some value out of this video. If you do, please go down there and hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the bell icon. You get notified when I post a new video or go live. And this is Tim and Aratuma back at you.
I'll be back.